Me go up on the road. I really want to talk to you now. Look at me when me I talk to you. Me no want me not talk to you back. Little girl, me say if you look at me when me I talk to you. You must have love rough treatment.
I hear you. I know me hear them hear in my ears. So you can talk.
If you have manners, man.
Talk, man, I hear you.
The man a come, right? I know no too comfortable around him, you know.
She have to tell. Cause she look like she
I
want
the
your
two
man.
on me I tell.
She look like she want your man, so she have to talk to. He broke, I mean, I date broke man. As she date broke man, me love money man. Come again.
You see, same thing me I tell them, no manners. Look a girl, you're 18, me at 20. Don't pass the place with
Age
me.
no have nothing to do with
Don't pass the place with me. You hear me I tell her?
Age no have nothing to do with it.
Alright.
I just the facts me a chat.
You know, say, are you me for worry about you know?
Why?
Cause every minute, me never even bring up and say, oh no want the man. And you a blame Chin say she want the
Like
man.
you're guilty of something. You're guilty of something, don't.
We say we not forget. You say we not forget too comfortable. You ever see me like me comfortable and man? Me never like you man. You realize I mean like no man where you there with where you can come here?
You not like yourself.
She ever run up in a them. She ever run up. When me left you and your man gone, she there with you. What she there with you and your man for? She
Then nothing me house.
She fi go no space, make you enjoy yourself. But no, she want hitch up.
Oh, so she must go up on the road and pimp my ride too. Eh? She must go up on the road and pimp her ride too. Like you and follow back at you. The dodo idiot.
At least me have make money.
Eh? Yeah, make money.
Every minute you come beg me.
I'm still lost.
You're still there.
I reach 20.
Yeah.
One fan.
You not have to reach 20, you know. You don't have to reach 20.
As me reach 20, me a come out.
No, man, you don't have to reach 20. You know what?
She reach up in your same way and they run your man pee clock. As me reach 20, me a come out.
You know what? You come out to my side now, one inside, because you just love raise my pressure too high. I'm out right now, I want to raise my hand and my fist to you. Get your backside inside, man. Just piss me off more time. Because girl don't have no manners and ripe and bright and she not nothing behind it.
Nothing about her.
Just, Chin, may I talk to you because you're the one that have little sense, yeah? Not be too comfortable because you know how man tan.
Yeah, man.
No matter how much them say, them trying to be loyal and whatnot.
You know.
And the two are no young and pretty and beautiful, you know, them way.
Yeah.
Alright. May I go up on the road, go do some mission. Me have to do before a certain time. So
what time I come back in?
No man, me should be back in about 4 o'clock settle.
Oh, so your man go come in before you?
Me no know, I'm gonna phone me first.
Oh, okay.
Alright, little boy.
Alright, mommy. Hello. What going, girl?
Not a thing, but I reply to some people. I text my banger.
Come here, me glad you come here too, girl.
Oh, yeah, look for.
I told me can't find a piece of video. You see the one when me call me sister? If you know what happened yesterday, girl.
What happened yesterday?
Let me see if I hit this one. You don't know what say.
Say what?
Me in a house yesterday, come me go up on the road and me come in. And me go in a family room, but me did I hear sound look nice and then something. So me no go in Sasha room. When me look to rotted, Sasha and Jabuan girl.
This look traumatic.
And me tell her say,
Put them. What? Oh my word.
when me tell her say, girl, I talk about how them a sister and brother and them are more close.
No, but naturally, if you have a brother and sister, you can form a close band with them and move close and some. But that too close.
Me never that friend because me this suspicious.
You did who now?
It's suspect.
Oh.
Yeah, girl, but me nah bust out nothing yet. Me just
Weird.
yes.
Yes,
Cause
I
me
best.
realize in one bright himself and little, you know.
Yeah, so all you do, you just use this as one like a blackmail.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, girl.
But no man, that too close.
Me say, I could believe. All this morning I can't tell mommy when mommy saying I go and mommy I say man I come here so we not get too comfortable. Like he know something you know about me and him man. Say
Oh,
man.
God, no.
So you see this video yeah?
Yeah. Show me first so you can shut him out if he chat.
Alright.
Yes.
Me I go humble him man.
Yeah,
Right.
humble him.
Right this way.
If not, you just chink him pan his tongue, make it swell so he can't chat.
Alright.
Yeah, girl.
Mm-hmm.
But no man, so me not forget that.
Yeah.
Me blackmail him too.
Yeah girl, let me send you come me figure say
Yes.
him can't agree.
Sell me too, so we can blackmail him
You
too. Me have to
listen,
get so
girl.
off of him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, girl.
Alright,
Later. You know what
later.
he calls me off of then he go know so we are chatting and say, you know
Alright.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah man.
Oh. B,
What's up, baby?
what you doing here? Think so you gonna do breakfast with me?
Oh, you know, they slip me. But that's there I thought they try to pick up some Wi-Fi, you know? Yeah, man.
But B, me slip your mind? For real? You
No.
forget about me?
No, don't say that. I do love you. Don't say that. Why would I let you slip up my mind?
Oh.
Why would I do that? I'm not slipping up my mind against you. I love you. But it's just that sometime I need to get some little fresh air because the barbecue is very cool, you know. And up yard is very heated. I can't manage the heat up there, you know.
Oh God, but you can manage my heat though, baby.
Yeah,
Hey!
and others. Yeah.
And what?
And yes.
Oh, that's what I didn't think you said. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. But anyway, I was thinking about sending her somewhere to have a whole day today. Yeah, man, we can go and cool out. So we wonder.
So where we are go?
No, not we. You. When I just go up a yard and cook.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, man, when I just go up a yard and cook. Yeah.
I may love your cooking, you know. But why you not come? Why me and you not go? Because me not like how every time me I go out, you want go up a yard. And me I run from.
No, baby, better than time because when you come back, you have good food in your back to eat. And then we can do the do. But when you do that right now, like me and you go down so, and come back, we are dead hungry.
That's true.
So, we just go up there, cook, and the girls them eat.
But hold on. The two of them up there, you know, I mean, I quite like when my shorty up there will run shorty out to the yard. Tell her some
Yes,
tell
man. Bap, 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 bap. Yeah.
hold on, me not reach the yard yet.
Huh?
And that you fit when me reach the yard.
What?
The bap 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 bap.
Oh, that bap, bap.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm so happy. See that me happy there, man.
Yes, tonight I gonna be an ecstatic night.
No, when the night come, I go and sleep.
Where sleep I
I go
go?
work now and then later I sleep.
Where sleep I go?
No, I say I go work up a yard now, then I go sleep later when I come in.
No. That me not like, you know, that me I talk about. Every time me come in, you want go out. When we want you for come in, you want go out. And when we want you in all the time, you're gone. What is?
No, I have to go to work.
Kind of work.
We have other works to do. I know your works alone, I have to do other works. You forgot?
What kind of works? Because my mind I go somewhere else, you know.
Wait,
And then a woman works in the pen, you know.
No,
I
cooking
couldn't-
work and cleaning. Clean up. Come I know two lazy girls them up there, they don't wash the plate. So they go up there, go work.
That's why I have to love you, you know, B.
Yes.
That's why I have to love you.
Yeah.
So, when you cook, nobody go sleep here. When you cook tonight, just strong up your back for me.
Me not think you back can work the second round, but we will try.
Alright, if me not broke your back, you're good.
Huh?
If me not broke your back, you're good.
You still not pick up Egypt for no baby, so you're alright. Anyway, take your time, nobody come back. Nobody come back so quick. Take your time, take 1 2 hours. Chill out yourself. You can stop at my favorite bar and tell them if you get some drink of Malta. Drink as much Malta you can.
Malta special me I go drink. Per your tab, yeah?
Yeah, drink as much special. When we tell you to call if you come, you come. I only want to drunk and remember not born no sex later. Can't manage too much sex in a one row. You must be mad.
I wanna love you in
Gotcha.
every kind of
Oh, what a
way.
nice slim girl.
Da, da,
Looking
da,
good too.
da, da,
Slim
da,
as.
da, da, da.
Damn. Oh
Mm.
God. Slim as, come here now. Come here now.
Da, da, da.
Hey,
Look here,
pretty
sir.
girl, come here now. You're looking good, man. You have called here, man. Like you
Thanks.
look pretty in a bonnet.
Me no, thanks.
Yes, it's very sweet and nice.
Mm.
And you have any
No.
boyfriend? What? They don't maybe be the right man for you, man.
Mm.
So when you get me.
I say you easy.
Eh?
I say you easy.
With her?
Lord.
No, a girl like you, you know. I like you, you know. Cause
He
you see,
realize them now.
eh?
I say he realize them, you know.
No, I don't tell a lie. I am a truthful man. You see, a man like me no ramp with my love. My love is very serious. It's not like Titanic.
What is love?
Love is like a bunch of roses you take every day to your woman and surprise her with some chocolate. Yeah, that is love. Real love is
That's all like a
passionate.
Valentine's Day, man.
No, man, you know, stop. Alright, this is thing, you know, we're on Valentine's Day if you get woman gift. Your woman shall get gift every week.
So where your woman there?
Huh?
Where your woman there?
I'm single right now, you know, she born me. Go catch her with 3 man in her house. I was so shocked. I was so devastated.
If you did that do it right, then you probably would get one so I can know. So you never did that do the right thing. Anyhow, you did have a woman at your door where you chat right so right now. You believe you don't get one?
No, the thing is she a white liver. And me alone can't satisfy her. That's the problem. So you get the drift? That's why me I try to show you.
If you did that do good, she would be satisfied.
So like when you're single, right? And I'm a single man. We can get to know each other.
They would laugh. You're funny.
My name is...
Show me camera, me think a prank. Oh yeah, do you have me pass some reality TV show or something?
What do you mean by that?
And I can't come out, me know I say a prank people, hi. Yeah.
Prank how?
I could never me come and chat us.
No man, that try to pour out
You
my...
think say me I wanna then little get a road girl the way I can call it down with and breed and left with picking sir?
Really tell us me I go breed the elephant with picking. I
Anyhow
love...
you did what you do.
I love babies, so I will take care of my babies.
Oh, that would laugh. That every man go see and sweet up a woman, then turn them brain in a some little liquid jelly something, and then they turn in a idiot. And then you go breed and left me with picking it, then pick me grow up and I know no father and nothing. A man. You see, what me tell you something. You see, anyhow all you there, so I tell me right now, and me find out say all you have somebody in at the end. Me hold your ball and ring it back so. Hey. Oh, you feel it? Me didn't ring it yet.
I'm gonna get it yet. Me like you, do. Me like you. Trust me, me like you.
Make sure I don't lie out there.
Me feel it, but me like you same way. Me like you, man. Oh, God.
So where your ex name?
Huh?
Where your ex name?
Me don't remember that then in there, because when you remember your ex name, no problem. That's how you go.
Oh.
So me not know man. Me single.
You sure?
Like a bird.
Bird, a single bird fly now one flock together. Bird have a family.
No, me single like a mannequin.
Mannequin, what whole heap of them put up in a store together?
No.
What you mean by?
No, me single for real. Single. Can't ask all the bush. Bush have ears.
No.
You know they say bush have ears, right?
No.
And wall have eyes.
Oh.
Right. So, we say about now.
You single?
Yeah.
You sure?
Me sure. From the bottom to the root.
You lie?
Huh?
You lie?
How you know if me lie? Have you ever seen me with a girl anywhere that I first seen me, girl? I'm very, very passionate with my love. Like, could I? Choo. You have a nice nose. Your nose reminds me of my Uncle Shovel. You're very pretty. Trust me. You're nice forehead. You remind me of my Uncle Hammer. You're very cute and nice. You see, you have a nice cheek. You remind me of my Uncle Sledge. You're so...
Oh my God, you're so nice.
Yes.
You got a face. It reminds me of the little you remind me of Quasimodo, the little squirrel thingy twingy. You got nice chest and abs. Them will remind me of a 6,000 pound person. Oh my God, you have such lovely fingers. You remind me of a a fork that you used to jump ground. Oh my God, you have such a nice mouth. You remind me of a pickaxe. Oh my God, you have such lovely ears. You remind me of a balloon or something. Oh my God, you're so cute. Come back right here. We acting like that. Oh my God, baby.
Oh, the first name was so shame. I'm give you nice compliment.
You still want me?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
give me a number.
Alright, you ready for my number?
Yes. Come, how you go?
363.
Don't chat you up, me know nobody else here. You say bush her ears.
Achoo.
Put in.
Okay.
You sure right number?
Yeah, man.
Say me ringing now, your phone now ring.
Yes. Ring it.
Alright, me a ring.
Hello. CD Pie.
Hello.
You hear me?
Hi.
Okay, you hear me?
Yes,
See?
me hear you.
So
Hi.
what's your name?
What your name?
Uh-huh.
Kena.
Okay. Okay, now.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you have money?
No, you have to come in me.
You know work?
If you don't want the responsibility, will you look me
No, I
closer?
will take your responsibility,
Okay.
baby. No way. Later, yeah?
Yes, later.
Later, where I go for me, I go cook.
Yeah, why your eyes no pum pum?
Who tell us me I
Oh, me see your eye them. See your eye them, yeah. They're literal
Oh,
in
you
there.
catch me.
I catch you. I catch
Yeah,
you.
wait till I hold it tonight.
Aha.
Wait till I hold you. You will see.
Hello. Then I get up, go she play him. From man, you get up, you sit down, call phone, and text. Who you text?
Shorty, me not in nothing with you this morning, no.
So get up, go
Me
wash
nah
the plate
go wash
them.
up no plate. Me tired for
Oh,
wash
so
up
you use them
plate
and
in
you
my
don't want
house.
to wash them.
Everybody
so
use the plate.
Okay.
And I'm me alone name and ham out.
Oh, yeah, and you alone.
Everybody use the
Me
plate
ate
them.
nothing last night. And you and mommy use them as you are either
Shorty, me
either
done
you
talking
wash
no
them
yet.
or she go wash them.
Me tell her say, yesterday me tell her say rake up yard. And me go wash the plate. You never rake up yard. Me for end up wash the plate and rake up yard. Me nah do nothing today.
Me nah do nothing either, so you can't stay there. Me see how we are going to name today.
Alright, Shorty.
Can't go. You only sit down and not do nothing. That's all.
Me no talking
Sit
no
down
baby.
Me there. What kind of sit down and not do nothing there? Stepdaddy is in the house. Wagwan, talk to me. Me not in the ramping right now. Talk to me. Yo, you know for there, you know.
Big foot.
You know for there, you know.
I want them to big foot, big head, shape bad looking something at Jesus.
Oh, we are called big head, big foot, shape or something. Eh? You know for there, you know. Where are you?
Sometimes I take up some man, I wonder if you have taste. Because I would never look person like you.
Talk back concern,
Shut
man.
up your mouth, I not chat to you.
If you have manners and know your place.
I try your man, make you pick up feet.
We are talk. You know, your mom is here for there, you know.
Me no business. Watch your mother idiot. Cause two and take each other and she no know. And her nose. You take your mother man is a workless so good girl.
Hold on, baby.
Baby.
Well, I'm putting the phone on speaker.
Alright, Shorty, me nah
You know what I'm saying? I'm coming and going here, Shorty, I cuss chin.
You can't shut me up no.
Wanna stop the night?
Alright.
Take your mother
Talk to her then. Listen what your mother say.
Excuse me.
Talk to her then, baby.
Sasha, when you hear me use your birth name, you know. Me tell him to tell you to leave the yard.
Oh, so you know, say it's a damn idiot, mommy. You're a damn idiot.
Who you call idiot?
Me, I should make stain here that make chin go about our business. Cause chin take your man behind your back and you don't know.
Little girl, you
Every minute you come with this step man argument.
Take him, man.
Sasha.
Every minute you pick
Sasha,
up
know
him,
yourself,
man.
you know.
Every
Know
minute
yourself.
you pick up
Sasha,
him.
stick up in right now. You is the one me hear dirtiness on the road. I mean, I like it. I mean, I want to
you're dirtiness on the road and you're dirtiness on your yard. I take my mother man, I take your mother man.
Come out to the yard.
Know yourself, because me a humble you, me a suck you humble.
No.
Alright.
Go and take your mother man.
Love you, yeah, baby?
I love you, B.
Alright, we're going to cook.
Aye.
Yeah. Finally, get some time for yourself. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Yo, hey, we're brave, you know?
Me know.
We don't know what it was out of work till we get where. But right now, we need to work, you know, because we tell her to spend 2 hours on the road. I'm in a wash. Come back, come catch me. I'm in a work yet. Come me get money already. And we have to work up my money. One in. Yes. You're one in.
So you look so. So you come out mash up so.
I know, see, I sleep. Me not sleep. I want. Cause me tired, man.
Come with there.
He ain't gone down here, road.
Sasha there.
Me don't know.
So you come out and look so.
So what happened?
There you can check my mother and I want to know did, but no man. You look how weird though, man. So.
Me there, my brother.
You there, man.
Cause everything good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna check mommy and so my deal now. And yeah, and Sasha and so on what go out in her life, but
In this sense, son come still. So me don't know if you wait or what.
if me I wait,
Yeah.
you can go and ease back and see the same way. But something alright though.
What I mean?
No man, something alright.
You go on, yeah. You alright. Tired, man.
Baby, I tell you, that one that is good. I tell you, I say, that one that is better than your mother with me. Me like how you do it. You just put it back, huh? You see me, man. You see me, man. And it's good. I like it flexible. How when me have it, so. How when I have it, so. How when I turn on. How when I have it on the back hand, I say, yeah. It's good. Huh? What?
You say, hey, good.
No, nothing like that. Nothing like
Nothing
that.
like that.
I practice something.
Practice something. I say, good panny back out.
I
You turn him
practice
so
and
you
I
turn him
practice
so.
something.
No,
Mm.
I
like
practice
that.
and I practice
I
something.
didn't know, you know.
No.
Me tell mother say I go on, you know.
I practice and I practice something.
Practice. Come say you man, how you come out so? I know I turn in there ref out in there.
No.
Yeah, no. No, sir.
So you don't believe me?
Me not believe you.
I cook, me come to cook, you know.
Cook your
Better you
come
know,
cook.
say me not in a day something there.
That can't tell me that. When me see a go on here about she
I
for
practice,
them
no,
to
I
come out.
practice in I practice something.
Practice. I practice how to work
No,
out your body.
I don't like with you, you know.
Like,
I don't like that with your bed, you know. If you behave yourself, man.
if you behave myself.
You see me when I give your mother bun, why would I do that? I love
Where
your
would I
mother.
do that for?
And your mother take care of me, you know. Why would I do that? And she make me get food to
What you
cook.
say? What you say?
And your mother take care of me.
My mother take care of you.
So what you think, sir? And me help her and me wash up the plate and cook here. And she buy me nice clothes and when me want a little money to go a bar go drink. Yeah. Yeah, man.
So she
I
there?
do that.
What me there now?
Must sit down at the bar and take her one drink still. I tell her if you go and take her 2 hours down there and come up.
Oh, take a 2 and come up.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we cool.
Yeah, man. Me a circle black.
Right. So this.
Me a circle black, man. I watch no face.
So
You good, my brother?
Yeah, man.
Good. We're good.
We no good, man. We no good.
Yeah, we say we're good. Good. But that one there was bad, you know, man.
Come on, me tell us if it happen as come here, come say you did it, and me tell us say he did this so.
Wait, you never tell me the boy there, yeah, so.
Me I say sure funny I come down and
No,
you still
when you show me no fall.
and you say no sure me and everything and you
No, me no fall. You have to say, you have to jab inside and say, well, I go and jab one, make me know, say, out here. That you should have said, no, see me.
me I say tapping eyes, I still did it, brother.
No, and I say signal people. If you want me to know say somebody out here, you call their name and say to me, budge out.
You better pray so you no go tell mommy.
You don't think your mother go believe him over me. Remember saying, no, me had the love generation, the full of style. Anyway, go wash up your plate and cook until your mother say me cook.
Me fi wash up plate and cook.
Yeah.
After me tired, me nah wash up no plate. And me nah cook.
So what me gonna tell your mother when you come in?
And you tell mommy say you cook, you know, so you better take yourself, go in there so, and go cook something.
After you walk me out, you think me have strength. Alright, me go hold a half an hour sleep, wake me up within half an hour, so me can do what me have to.
Alright.
I make me over sleep and I do.
Oh Lord. Son of a man. What try to know? Only thing in do I come over here, come and mouth the food and go can
Take
yard.
a rig. I never did say no. You realize that I did a walk and hold my head straight. And then you tap me. Yeah, you did what is that? You realize that I not fast with you or no.
You can't fast with me.
Self
You think I
front
change this?
girl.
You think I change this?
Self front girl. You realize say, hey, you fit that got say your chin to stand up cause me would have hey, me would have lick it a long time, you know?
Let down
You think
who?
me afraid of?
Let down who?
Eh?
You think I change this?
No,
Where
I
can
wanna
lick
chin.
down?
You say if I did chin would have rather help me.
Me say if you
fight
think
chin.
I change this, you can't lick down.
Hey, look here. Bloop bloop turn on your volume when you chat to me.
Who you talk to?
You.
Oh, I know that. Turn it down now.
Okay.
Turn it down.
Wait. Let me turn it on for you.
Say my dirty piece of phone.
My phone piece about you better than for you. You cannot afford this phone. You sell front for whole long and you
Lord.
cannot afford this phone.
Girl, it's on hot
Who
and
are
you
you?
take
Turn on
too
yourself.
long to talk
Turn
right
up.
now.
Let me man angle you now. What
Man
that?
and go.
What that? What is shorty? What a shorty?
Oh, where you get that video there from?
Oh my word!
Where you get that from?
Turn down your volume, girl. 20 done. Oh, what? It's
Where you
sweet,
get that video from?
you don't have to know.
Where you get that video there from? This is a life of...
This is a life or death situation.
Where you
Yo,
get that
say
video
sorry.
there from?
Say sorry.
I am sorry.
Anyhow, you're not. Hey, girl, you better have respect to me now. Because me publish this. You know me. Oh, you love rap with me now. You see me now. I fight you physically. Me can't use something like them. I fight you.
Where you get the video there from?
Well, why does it matter? Why does it matter? Oh my word, girl, like you do there's something there with his stepbrother. Oh my word. Oh my God, she said. What?
Shh. I'm making you put here. Enough you're going so.
But they tell us enough rap with my friend there one cause me is a serious piece of girl. And you know, you're for a person, yes, anytime you see me, you feel like give me money to you see money them when you sell and get, me feel I get 50%. Matter of fact, make it 70. And you know what?
Look, shh. Alright.
Yeah. I joke, man. 30% shall do. Yeah, you have to go say hard because I want money every week.
So me
Yes,
can't
girl.
revolt my body them so.
No, man. Yeah, you've been a do good. Just make sure 30% of what you make is mine. Or else, girl, me publish this.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah. Me have a
Lord,
YouTube
God
channel, a big name, Kena Media. It a grow. It's small, but it's still a grow. You know that? And when I put this video on it, and that go viral and they start share, oh God, you're going to be famous.
Christ.
Yes. So,
Oh,
no,
God.
you see next time when you see me, you have to pass me and say, Hail Kano. So you have to treat me like a queen now.
Lord God
Yeah,
Almighty.
Lord God Almighty.
Me I could do your
You
move.
You piece of it? You piece of it? Next time you see me, not fast with me. Take another one, go learn the lesson, man. Bright.
Unless me I kill chin. Me I kill chin. Just wait till me go up a yard. I must book car. You wait.
Can't believe him having their weight, man. Sure.
Mummy, over here.
You're right.
Eh?
Just stay a breezer.
Breeze off.
Yeah,
I left it dirty man over there with chin.
Well, you can't get on with him, job, boy. Him is a good man.
Oh, why you had me come from my mummy?
Yes, me know him over there. And me tell him to run the one Sasha because she's a dangerous girl. That's a Jezebel.
Oh.
Me love her. But
So, it's a plan thing.
what kind of
Me go over there a
planting?
while ago, you know. And me sitting here come out and that. And me I see a warm team, I say, no man, just wake up and just make 2 step back. I hear dirty man mirror come out. Yes, baby. Better than your mother. When he put it on this, so he turn it this, so he put it on the back as over here, so so you want to hear him. I'm warn about him, you know. Warn about him, man, about him. You didn't listen to me.
No job on. That can't right.
You mean that can't
That
right?
can't right.
No, man.
If you
I'm
did
right.
say Sasha no, little
No.
short sister, me would have draw me breaks and stick a pin.
She bone but chin sneaking. So you look, you move. You believe him, man, me I tell you. Why me I tell you, they big lady upon him, so.
Alright.
So me hate him, so.
Alright. Hear what? You can't.
So what I know, so. Then again, so all you are telling me, say, him, I provide and everything. Hmm?
Of course.
Him not provide. Him just tell me say you are give money for cook.
I true your perplexing brain when we forget money from forget for cook.
And you are buy him clothes and you give money for go rum
Which
bar.
part?
What do you mean which
Me
part?
know say you not like the man you know for a long time,
I
job,
won't
but
tell
you
me,
can't make your mother happy for once, man.
See me leave now, I won't tell me a while ago. So if you wonder say if
You have no evidence of it? You can take case you go court?
and I hear
Where you
say,
proof then?
oh me yai ball say I hear me here, oh me yai see.
I hear say that.
I hear say that.
Yeah, come tell me what you think you interpret. Me know same up there. I mean no say Sasha gone.
Alright. You go feel one of them day now, mommy.
You have no
sorry.
proof.
Me say you go sorry one of them day, yeah. You go sorry.
Perplex people head, man. Me done growing already, you know. Me done
man.
sacrifice and growing already. It's my turn now, man. Allow me let me get me little turn in our life, no man. Oh.
Mommy, oi! Come. Mommy, have to go over. Mommy, you have to go over. Listen, you said the little big dirty careless girl we have over there, so you have got to talk to her. You have got to talk to her. If you talk to her, I'm going to analyze her in her sleep. Remember me tell you, what if you know say the big dirty girl can video go show her friend with me what she not fear show to nobody? What if I didn't know that? I want me analyze him, you know. Remember, say me tell her say you get up on morning and you not go see him.
So hold on, Miss Talawa.
Sure.
How you want so bad? Why you and she have so?
She show her friend video with me what she not supposed to fear show to nobody.
Oh, because you do something that you don't want people to see.
So
something. Oh, see, I have little shame in you. Cock me never know that exists.
Listen to me. And you see how this thing, Panny, you run me out, you know. I left look a big, ugly man and you...
I know you talk about my man. No, you talk about... You don't know what to call him if you call him daddy. A daddy if you call him.
Why you left it to them in the yard? You know what can happen? How long you out here, so by the way? How long you out here? You out here for about 1 hour, though. Only God no more know what they're doing the hour where you're out here for. Huh?
You can ask you a question.
Ask a question.
How long you take to give birth?
How long it take to give birth? Me no know. Me never have.
How long was your labor? When you did a damn well spit me out. How long you take to spit me out? Can me want know? You don't realize when me sit here quiet, I shake the dice. I just listen. Cause me want know when you got text up and realize say you're the pick me and me the mother.
But mommy, listen. This is not about who are the mother and who are the picnic in this situation.
Little girl, that's why I send you out to the yard.
Listen!
I send you for come perplex my brain.
I may tell you if you need to go over your yard right now. You need to come over there right now. Go on and you will see what they over there do.
And talk to Smutty. Your mind so damn well Smutty.
Listen to me. Talk
and that's what you want, not true. You really want him, not true.
If me did, mommy, me not dead broke people. You see you have your mind him. You realize you have your mind. You realize if you not cook, you not eat, if you not buy him clothes, you not wear clothes.
Oh,
you realize me dead only money man. Oh. Yes, only money man. Chingo broke man them. He broke man them in go far.
Thank you.
That's why if you go talk to him and go look what them over there do.
Thank you.
You see?
Thank you. Thank you.
You get hurt if you not listen.
Thank you. Now you show me how wicked and envious and bad mind you be. Me I come. Mark this. Mark me 6. Let me go over there not no smell fishy.
No,
watch me
I know 6 that.
That's why I can't stand your ways.
I know 6 that.
Me love you because I have to love you. God put you in my hand and
it's time me tell you. I thought they must be on the second round. Come on.
Yeah, about second round. Like you can't manage none.
Come on. Come me tell you come on.
You see, I'm glad you're there, Chin. I'm glad you're there.
Yeah,
me I forgot ask because I'm tired of this, all of this fighting and warring and bullshit, right? Come here, little bit, Chin. You're my girl.
Everybody know.
Because I like your ways from long time.
I not really
Cause she
care.
make me sweat. Jaja.
Not really care.
Listen
Tell
now,
me
mommy.
something. She come tell me, say, right? You are my man in a dealings. Right?
Shorty say so.
Say me for come back home quick because you are him in a dealings.
What kind of dealings?
What kind of dealings? Since everybody there in one group, make you get everything out in a one. What kind of dealings?
You don't know one him dealings.
No, cause me bigger, me born big, black or ugly, so me no know. Explain it to me.
Tell the lady about you and her man.
What kind of dealings,
Tell the
Shorty?
lady about you and her man. Your so-called stepdaddy.
Oh.
But if you don't call him daddy, Tony have your pana.
That's why me not like you
You
ways,
in
you
a
know.
dealings too, Shorty.
Yes.
Shorty, in a dealings too.
Me not with my stepdaddy. Not with my stepdaddy.
Oh, bro.
Come talk up. Talk, no talk.
Girl, I'm if you talk, say, me not know if you talk, say, no, because me sure know, say, you and mommy come see me right here, sitting down.
Where man dey?
Where you ask me that for me, man?
Oh, okay. Me sure me left you and him, yeah, though.
And
So when dey?
how me if you know that?
Oh, you're not gonna know.
As a matter of fact,
You're not gonna know.
me I smell something and me not smell food. Chin,
Me glad you just come.
chin.
Hey.
Like how she walk off, me still a smelly. Chin, how you smell like sex, so? Where him there? How you smell like sex, so?
Mommy, look here, no bother with you, no bother with you. Me don't know where your man there out, so you can't see me, right? I mean, I know where you smell, but you know I fool you.
Talk
Me supposed to come home and smell food because me supposed to come home and cook dinner.
Mommy,
Well, I don't know.
the strong in it, like right, there's so something alright, something not something. Maybe she just do it and she come out if you can't catch fresh air if you try cool off before you come here.
So where him there?
If he
Mommy,
in
talk
there,
to me about your man because I don't know where Papa is there. I don't have him 2 foot. Me don't know where in there.
she want to know if he left in yard, yes I know. He left in yard from she gone.
What?
He left in yard from she
How
gone.
me if you know that tata me now watch Papa?
Are you want in there? We come across down here so that me.
Well, me
we
never
come
dey
across
here.
here,
Me
yes,
never dey here. Me not too long come here and come sit down because me tired.
something not add up.
Me not trust you, you know.
Who you not trust?
Me not trust you. Me know something fishy I go on.
You not trust me or she? Which one?
Me no know what to believe, but your mind smutty and you bad mind for a long
No, you
time.
just
Me know that for a long time.
Yeah, thing!
Baby,
See him there? Exactly where I'm supposed to be.
I'm tired, man.
But how me not smell no dinner? How me not smell no dinner? Me come
Girl,
home. You tell me.
Me not tell you wait me for the 30 minutes cook food for your mother.
Hello.
Me did go out the road and me never remember
You know,
to
really,
wake you.
yes,
He
yes,
come in, your man come in
Oh.
and he tired and he wash up a plate them and he go sleep and he say me for wake him. But true, me never remember me did go link for me friend.
But what are we
I mean-
never know when they do? What are we never know when they
How
but
if you
yet
know
in
me
the
there?
house?
How if you know me there? Me and her in a business?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then she
Oh,
say.
she if you know me
You
there.
tell her to
Alright.
wake you though. Oh.
Yes, I tell her to wait me in 30
And
minutes.
I didn't remember. I
Oh,
was
your
at the
mother come
road.
and ask us when they you say you don't know.
Then she go up on the road.
Road and come
She
back and me
must
don't
think
go.
me gone.
How you know
Alright.
say you go parody if you did sleep?
That kind of makes sense still.
How you know say you go parody
Because me just say me go on the
He
road.
never out here when you
Yes.
see so.
Let me ask you a question.
Me just say it when he come a while ago.
Out of me or she, who is the most loyalist person on the earth?
Me know say me kinda like me maybe like. But listen, you're a big woman. Pick sense out of nonsense.
Babes,
Use a eye them.
Read
No make
between the
man
lines.
fool you.
Out of she or me, who is the most loyalist? Look at your princess, yes, so. You don't believe she over your princess? Your royalty? Eh? The one that bringing the gold look more from now? If a rich man come and say, who you think a rich man will choose, babes? She, right? She now get picked. She gonna be the last choice of the family.
That means I right. I last choice with him. You see? He said, she! Mommy, pick sense out of nonsense. You have sense. You're my mother. You have sense. Come. Who you believe?
Babes, Read between the lines.
Me want.
She jealous away. She jealous away, babes. I tell her. You know what she tell me say today? When they come out for the phone, but oh, you have to get me. Tell them say me, no want that.
Why first thing me tell her before you come here?
Bad mind, she bad mind.
Me tell her say me not like none of your man them where you're there with, so why mother like you?
That's why she don't like your man them because he can't get them.
Sorry,
because the man they don't want him.
If me right now, I vomit, you me vomit pan, so you better shut up.
You see? Yeah.
You're upset, my stomach. Stop in eyes on my head.
Alright, stick a pin. Me can't manage the headache, man.
I want to spoil Milan. What to you?
Me pressure, me can't manage the headache.
Whoa, dismiss yourself.
No.
Why?
Father.
Will she or him father?
He could never be me pa.
Why you tantrum?
As much as me
Why you tantrum?
He could never be me pa.
Me I listen to everything, me not see no evidence. Everybody just come with them bad mindset because they don't like see people have nothing. Me feel live life, you know.
What do you mean by everybody? Everybody who?
Me don't know what you and your brother have against me being find me a little bit of happiness.
Oh,
yeah.
So my brother come to you about
me find me a little bit of happiness. I mean, no, me can't manage no more, man. I'm my time in life now.
Hold on, no, you realize what I'm going. You see, Emily Carter. Listen, don't raise up a pressure. What you mean by brother not like him? Brother never say not like him. What you mean by?
Him come there before you. That's why I was so pissed off when you come to with the same foolishness.
He come by before me come.
You can't manage all of this, man.
All of them
None of like see me with a man. True, is not on a father. On a father gone.
Mommy.
See the best pitney you have, yeah.
Remember, say my brother no.
You shouldn't
And
have
if he come to your boat, man, talk me or something, he man no.
All on every man, me say me try find little happiness in their life. Eh? If you not vomit pan them, you puke pan them. If you not puke pan them, you video them. If you not do this to them, you do that and that cause trouble. Why you tense?
This me sister, go on.
Me love you, but me not love your ways.
I want to the cruff here, man.
Do your daddy say?
Who's daddy?
I'm the new daddy here.
The last time me check my father there up in a heaven.
Do your father say, girl? Or come out to this.
I'll say I put me on take a man.
Okay. Do me I put you on say come on. Me I put you out because you not no manners.
Why am I doing that?
You go come out of this.
Why am I doing that?
You not have no
Anything you
time.
want say goes. Come out.
Yes, come out of this. You go come out. You go pack up your clothes and you go go.
So I'm
Today right now.
You make kill me.
Another first man lick you get.
Okay.
Go on, pack your clothes and lift up.
Me tell you long time, every action have a reaction.
What if you not?
Right way that be.
You should have give me one cross
no
in back.
No mind, babes. That's the right move you make. If you put her out, she 18 to 19, you know. That's the right thing you do. Put her out, make she stay here with you and can help out. You don't need two of them here. Remember, say that your blood, you know. Your job and mine him come straight till 18 to 19. Put out him backside.
We try with our
girls will always be girls because they just don't enter them bad like a yards. Anyway, Warning go cook cause my name but
no man, you did for cooking now.
My boss call me. Yeah, interview. So we have to move, you know. Yeah.
For the big job?
Yes.
With the big money?
Yes, yes.
Alright. Well good. Go on. Alright.
Oh God, have mercy.
Let me ask you a question. Where you come from? Because up there, up that way the shorty live. Someone know which part you come from.
So, because I shot you alone live up there, baby?
No!
I work me I come from.
Where
I
that
tell
work
you
then?
I work. It's when you go up so you bust a left, right? When you see the first left, you bust a left. And then you walk down straight and you see one another left, you bust a left again. And you walk down straight, the second to last left, you bust a left. Then you go straight and then you bust a right. Then you go straight again and the third to fourth right. You bust a right and then you bust a left.
Are you send me bush?
No.
So much left and right now they up there so.
Yes, I try to understand.
This is what I say. Yes, me tell you no. And that's the reason I never want a man no. You know, say yesterday, Shorty look for me and tell me, say she not hold on her mouth, nothing, no more. She not hide no secret. You and her sister there, her stepmother.
What
And
are
how you dey sleep over here at night time. And that's why me call you yesterday when you tell me say you dey pan a work, you know, me say alright now.
I work me there for the security. I watch the people them liquor. No follow him. The people them a keep them party next day. I have to sit down up like a G. And I watch the liquor them all. I know and drop asleep. Me can't drop asleep. When I tell me I have to take two tape and come and tape down me eye and I sleep. And the rest of security then think say I watch the liquor. But I sleep. Me I sleep.
Shorty, I'm a friend, you know. I mean, Shorty never
You believe
once
Shorty
tell me a
over me?
lie.
You believe it?
But
You
me
know say
see her
Shorty
come-
well want me. You should have known that. And so me choose you over Shorty. After me compliment Shorty the day, and me choose you over she. She begs. Are you
But
alone?
why you come from here so? Me feel that way. Me feel like you do something. Cause
No,
Shorty just
no.
come and she not hold on her more like say a long time she was secret.
No, nothing like that, baby. Nothing like that.
You don't
man.
walk up me say anymore. Walk done so. Don't walk up me say anymore. Don't walk up me say cause Shorty people say I don't want Shorty come and see me. I want to tell me you come her yard. Cause she say you sleep her yard. And then she say more scream recording when you're there over her yard. I cook. What you doing over there cooking?
Me tell you, them, his mother pay me for cook. I'm a chef.
When you tell me that?
Me tell you already, say I'm a chef. I'm a sous chef.
You tell me say you're a chef and never tell me say you go around a people's house and cook and for life.
That's what I do best. I check every female and cook for them and make
For
money.
life.
Yeah, and go live and beg. If Big Back can't sit down and beg every time, why me can't sit down? Eh? Look on Big Back. What hard in the that? That me a try show you, man. Just relax, man.
Alright. Me not pay Shorty no man. Shorty jealous of me and you.
Right,
Just
come
make
go
sure
down.
say Shorty
Come
right
go
now.
deal with that thing.
Yo, come on.
And the next thing again, my name step brother. The on video, you know?
Shorty who?
His step brother the on video.
Me don't know what the video pop, but me know say they do things. Come on, that's not our business.
So you know about it?
Yeah, my friend.
So
She tell me about you, man.
Jesus Christ. Oh God.
Free man, you get up here, hit chop out. I don't like you now, I do nothing. Free man, you chop on phone.
Why your problem?
What you did this morning?
No worry about that.
Oh, no worry about that. Me say, you see? I want to get a hold of your phone because I have to delete the video there. You see the video there? I have to delete.
Which video?
Which video? It's same video where you show your friend don't get so. Making you via blackmail me
Oh,
too.
yeah, you hear about the video now.
Me yeah, but the video.
Me glad you know say
No,
me have video.
what I know. You just wait till me catch up on you. You think me no know say I'm a man or something? You think me no know?
And
Oh.
what you can do about
This
it?
man, you get up and go bathroom.
Yes,
and
we
me
go
get up-
bathroom.
Yeah, man.
What
Me
you
get
can
up
do
and me
about
go in
it?
the mommy room and me go in there.
Mm-hmm.
Him man na the beside that mommy.
Yes, and
As I come out of bathroom, me dey one piece and me around go in there figure piece. And the man, my sister.
yeah, girl.
What you and the man doing in the
We
bathroom?
was in the bathroom.
And you-
And what you gonna do about it?
Oh! Me have to
Remember,
catch you.
if you
Remember say me have to catch you.
remember if you tell mommy not gonna believe you and me friend.
No worry, I say me not tell him nothing more because I the thing me have to have.
I remember say me have your video, you know.
Me not really
Remember
care.
that.
Me not really care.
Oh well, me
You
was
feel say
not
me
here.
shot, me can't fight. Hey girl, we dig off your face, no girl.
Where you go a while ago?
I will dig off your face, no.
Where you go a while ago?
Hey.
No yourself. You hear me? I tell her. No yourself.
Man, calm down. Look how far away this you can't even lift it up heavier than you. Before me use it, pan. Let's stop it.
Hey,
Oh,
girl.
let's stop it. Oh God! Hey, me on a death. Me have to take off my slipper soon.
I will bust head in a girl.
Put it down.
One your
Yes,
daughter.
out.
One your daughter.
Look how blade rich towel girl. So me come out here chat to her. She come blackmail me with video. Hey, me tell for warn her, you know. Me tell for warn her, you know.
So what kind of video she have to blackmail you with?
No, yes.
Huh?
No worry about that.
She have video hard,
No
but me not
worry about
ready to
that.
show her it yet. Want her to know her place, me have video hard.
No worry about that.
What kind of video?
No worry about that.
Me have to worry about it, you know, because it's enough to see me. You pick up pickaxe bigger than you.
Me say, I'm going to analyze her in here. I'm going to analyze. Shorty, I better wake up and you know, so she get up out of bed one morning. Shorty,
One
one Alright. Me say one hour. I mean, I talk again.
Me don't
Talk
talk
so me
to
go sleep with somebody.
Hey, you not do that
Hey.
already. You not do that already.
Hey.
Quiet your voice in this.
And we find a bad man to deal with her, you know.
You find a bad woman mother to deal with, so try it.
Oh.
Try it.
yeah,
bad
that
woman
man.
more you try.
me match up
Come
Shorty.
do it now. then.
Yeah, man. Hey,
No,
girl,
you
you
done the
say.
argument.
She don't
Done the
know.
argument. You.
Shorty, no,
Come on,
tell
out,
me, girl.
out. Go on about your business.
You,
We can't take
I watch you
anything
here,
more
girl.
time. What happened?
Mommy, me there right here, sir, right? Me a mind for me business now. Every minute, you know, say she as you start problem first. She come out here and she a go on with herself. You know when do push off me face, so me have to angle him and put him in nine place.
Then you know what do the little girl, you know? What kind of devil spirit coming her? You alright?
Because me have one video, me a black, me no start blackmail yet, you know.
Cha. So what video you have, so?
Yeah, we
That she
soon.
a fight
Mommy,
you for?
we soon know in due time.
You can't bother with this, you know. Jesus, my patapon.
Babes,
You alright?
you know, don't cook it.
No, but you just go running, come and smell the pot, come and know, so you come and everything. You alright?
So what going?
Why? Certain foolishness me can't
What,
manage.
like
Me
what,
can't
like what,
manage.
like
You ma
what?
fight again, man.
Who hurt you? Who hurt you?
Shorty.
It's that girl, eh?
It's alright, me deal with
Me
it.
don't want
deal
nobody
with
hurt
it.
my babes. What I'm saying?
Wait, she never hurt me. What do you mean hurt your babes?
Oh,
What
sorry.
you talk about?
Oh, me think, sorry, babes. Sorry, me think of you. Me think he hurt your babes. Me don't want nobody hurt my babes, you know, babes. You know? So me have to caution, you know, because I could have who, and no matter who. Right. You understand? Me think of you, because I'm ready to go backside, you know. Nobody never hurt my babes, you know. I love you, is my sweet coffee.
That's why I have to love you.
Yeah, man, you're my coffee without milk. And the milk is right there in my sweet eyes, you know. I love the milk. You're my coffee and...
No, me come a black and...
Yes, I'm milk,
Proud.
yeah. You're my coffee. I'm my milk, yeah.
What the milk there?
No, me say...
Me not like that, so me have milk coffee.
No, me say you're
Me
my
have
coffee.
black coffee, so when
Yeah,
the milk
no,
come
me say
in-
you're my coffee without the milk.
Oh, without the milk.
Without
yeah,
the
man,
milk,
Without
yeah.
the milk for true.
My coffee without the milk.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. have to go in because I smell the pot.
Go in.
Alright. Dinner soon ready?
Yeah, baby.
Alright. You're your favorites.
Yeah. Oi.
You know, here, see, I'm in a fight where you can't talk. Oh.
Me know say you and I, she touch you. Because me put picnic in your belly, you know. And me want my picnic come.
What you mean?
You think say me I eat that, me I go turn you and give you money and not breed you? You have to care something for me. Your stepmother cannot care picnic. She cannot breed again. So, I shall...
So tell me how that go work now.
When you're pregnant, you carry the belly for 9 months, when you push it out, you left him give me.
What me I go do?
No,
you
you,
can't tell in a house.
you tell her, say I go, somewhere go work for 1 year. Yes. 12 months that you do 2 months with the belly, and you go away. Go have the baby. Left him on my yard. No, not my yard.
You can't decide that. How you feel do that? You can't decide for me.
Don't worry your head about that. I'm going to fix Shorty business. I soon come back. Go in here. I like how you give me this morning night bathroom. It was nice, I tell you. God knows me never get any feelings there. Babes!
Oi.
I'll be back here.
Alright. What good?
I buy you one bull and a bag juice. What you want? You want cakes, ice cream?
KFC.
No, I can't go to KFC right now. I'll bring you back some juice, a big jug of juice. And bring her one can water. Yes, I love it, yeah? Okay.
What God Almighty. No, me think you don't walk past me.
No, I'm not walk past you. Put that behind us.
Oh yeah, cause we are friends. Me say, girl, you know what happened today.
No, what happened today?
You remember the same girl me that tell you take your man?
You assume your stepsister or your mother. Which one of them? KDC, I two of them. Which one you talking now?
My stepsister.
Yes.
Me say, girl, me and the girl fight today.
I lie.
Yes, I'm have to beat her.
You win.
Then me no must win. Which girl can beat me? Me say me have to beat the girl. I want pickaxe me jaw after her saying I get about 10 out tight. Yes.
Your man, you lift up your pickaxe.
Yes, me lift up here, me go so.
Sign dead.
Some no, no dead. Mama, they come out in time. Yes.
Jesus, so you're a bad girl then. What do you know? Say so you're bad, shorty.
I mean.
But you go on with yourself.
Yes.
So why you beat her? What cause it war?
The look ugly girl I use my video blackmail me. She
Which
have
video?
she have video with me.
Video with you.
Remember say
Video with you. Talk up, man. You hide things.
no, me not hide not. Remember say me dey deal with such somebody.
Your stepbrother.
Yeah, yes.
But you know,
And the girl catch me and the boy, you know, me I give boy a piece.
You know, say my man that tell me something like that the other day, like him I say, you dey pan video.
Yes.
But me I say me don't know about the video part.
Me say
So you manage to catch pan video.
The look dirty girl I watch me and my stepbrother and come in the room and come video. I me never know, you know. I say me see. See there. See her friend there. Watch her. Hey girl.
Shorty, let's first tell you say anytime
What?
you see me. If you see me on the left, you take it right and you love me. You see how me did always a walk on and mind me on a business.
Dusty girl. Remember see your beat your sister
Yes.
picker.
Yes.
Beat she. Dusty girl shorty. No girl no bad like your shorty.
No.
Dusty girl shorty. Yeah, shorty. Shorty. Hey. Jesus Christ. Shorty later. Shorty me a carry on.
Anything on the left. Take it right.
Jesus.
No, Carla! You man. Carla! You see me. You come bother me. You never know say me a bad girl. Me dey tell you say me mad and me bad and change that save you. And every day you come at hey, I me never did one do you know you fit thank God say you hold on can nearly most me crook your neck.
You can't wash, girl.
Yeah, me can't wash. I wash my clothes.
Are you say you there?
Sure. Take this too. For me
Fight
go
off
back
chin.
outside.
Fight off chin around.
Me just have to deal with him right now.
Carla should run, you know.
Babes, no
Why
worry,
she
man.
shouldn't
No worry.
run?
She had me deal with her.
Why she
She
shouldn't run?
couldn't do me nothing.
Why she shouldn't run?
Oh, you not chat to me too, you know. Oh.
So, Pierre, your woman might know you're going so strong.
No,
Hug me up, man. A long
no,
time
no.
you not see me.
Just chill.
Yes, hug me up. A long
Are
time
you
you
a
not see me.
woman?
Yes, I'm a man. Something wrong with that.
Oh.
What you do? Me
No,
back so don't
I'll
you know.
come here.
Man.
Wow.
Have you called something?
Are you a woman?
What
you
the for
call
your lip?
something?
Let me see it.
Something up on it.
Go so, let me see it.
Not a thing that they funny with.
Oh.
I love you, baby.
Yeah, me
Love
love
you
you.
too.
Me can't see you. Me
No.
can't see you. You think say me idiot? Me tell you say me mad, you know. And you love ramp with me, you know. You never mad enough to ramp with me.
Me not do nothing.
Oh, make sure.
Me not do nothing. Me love you. Me tell you
Yeah.
me love you. And you're my moonshine.
Yeah.
If you say beat me, go beat you, man.
Beat him for me see.
No.
Be having a.
That's what me gonna
You want me
look,
fling you
look.
too?
Look,
Eh?
look.
You want me fling you too? So what you do that for?
At the new dance. At the new dance. Look.
play
At the new
French
dance.
country.
See there. At the new dance.
You see
The
at the
new
new
dance.
dance.
The new dance.
Me think
The new
you
dance.
face, but
You think me idiot? You
I
think
new
me
dance.
idiot? New dance where that depend?
Everybody keep silent now. Everybody keep silent now. Keep silent. Keep
first
silent.
to that one, yeah.
Everybody keep silent
Stop,
now.
you look like an idiot.
No.
Hug me
I
up, man.
know.
You know what I did. You said, damn idiot.
You know, you forgot. Yeah.
You run.
You know, you forgot. Yeah.
Left him, not understand. Go hug me up, man. Not a long time you not see me.
Yeah, but we can't hug on the road now.
Why?
We go.
Why? What you mean hug pan? What you mean can't hug pan road?
How many days ago? A while ago.
I pass, I gonna about my business up this one, this big
Alright,
third
me I come
girl
check
come
you later,
bother
yeah?
me. Yeah, what care money to? Me come empty-handed. You ever come the empty-handed? Free.
That's why girls always be girls in the cause they don't love money.
Yeah, look here.
They don't love money.
Hey,
Girls
shut up.
always be girls in
Shut
the...
up. Woman is naturally expensive. You just have to pick one in your price range. If you cannot afford she, you love she. Okay? Simple. So if you cannot
Since when
afford
woman
me,
come in a price range?
you have the high class, middle class, low class, poor class. Poor class, we accept anything when you give them. Middle class, they're not too fussy. High class, no. Then they're expensive. You have to go book them flight, you have to go carry them on the plane, you have to go do this, you have to go spoil them. You're lucky so much just accept for this much.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. I check my boss.
Oh, you have to check your boss. How far you work? You never tell me where you work.
Tell me work up, that's a 2
So
hour
if you
done
go
so.
check your boss, where you do that?
Me go down so go check me other boss.
I believe I want to person you have to check. You want done this so if I look a place right there so you lock.
No, not this. Me work whole heap of place, baby.
Oh.
Love you, yeah?
Yeah, I love you too. Bye.
Mwah! You go check God. Sharpie.
Who's shopping? Look how long me away pan you.
Tired, man. You can't call me there for work. Every minute you call me for work. You don't expect me to work.
Why you can't take so long?
And me a one body, you know, me can't search for much somebody
So
every
let me
day.
sit down, Batman. Look, what kind of work you really do?
Me a chef. Me go around and me cook for people. Me cook.
So you not come and you can't cook. Our cockroach there in my house?
Last time I come here, you have to come cook a sauce of salt. Me see them. Me can't cook salt alone.
When you come by grocery and shop, you know man for that turn up a yard and do things with that up there, you know, be the man of the yard. You move cowardly.
I work on a safe you know. Me can't buy no grocery until month end. So you have to go wait until month
So
end.
if month end come when you spend our 100,000 pound grocery, so you save me till the other month end. Like a month end alone you buy grocery. Good idea, honey.
Are you alone, you know?
Yeah.
So why should I buy 100,000 worth of grocery?
Oh, come eat whole heap, man. I want to eat right round the clock. Tick, 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 tick. Right round.
Anyway, I can't too tarry long, you know, because I have to go somewhere else and
Where you go?
I work around the clock and I try to do what I can do.
Where else you go?
Eh?
Where else you go?
I have work to do. You know, say, grocery.
What's that? What's that?
What you do?
Hey girl, what you do with me man? Are you me a chat? What you do with me man?
I mean, that. Come here, so say that. I mean, that.
So what you do with me man, girl?
Since when he become your man? Yeah, your sister never tell about me.
Me no business.
Your sister never tell about me.
Business what you want me no. Me say what you do with me man. That me a act for me man.
This a girl mad. This a girl really mad.
You know say for me man.
Which part? No stress. Where you gone?
No.
Bust up it, hey, you gone? Hey, I tell you say no. You know why me run go so far for a piece of ticket? I can't be afraid he lick me down my backside. Me no bad. Hey.
How many things that you can't fight?
No, if me could have fight right to up the black writers and clot him, me no bad. I said me run go over there so we give him time to run.
But me no know her still. Me no know her.
She just say you're not there.
Me?
Yes.
Did she call me name?
I remember say she.
Why you never asked her before she run? Did she call me name?
She said, girl, what you do with me and I made it right there so nobody
Did I answer?
No.
Right. So how it be me and that me I try show no we do no woman. Who no try to get the truth first. You run with the truth.
But I'm not sure me and you alone the right there so I assume say you she attack.
Suppose I was a mad girl and you sit up in there so. Did you hear me answer her?
No, you never answer.
Good. Did you hear me say babes?
No.
Good. Did you hear me say honey?
No.
You hear me say wife?
No.
Argument solved right there on my woman.
Mistake.
Me no
Sorry
know.
accuse her. Because me know you will never cheat on me, no baby.
No, me
Me know
can't
you
cheat
will
for
never
you.
do that. But I true a shorty dirty sister, you know.
I shall be your sister?
Yes.
Oh.
Shorty there right now, but I true shorty as I get bust up your road and no man.
Yes, me seen get beaten.
You see?
Yes.
Yes.
See
Me I tell you, say, oh you see him on the road?
I come down and I see him on the ground. What I say go? I like.
Not life. Because they beat up his sister with pickaxe. But me wonder why she no look blood up.
Alright, you wanna know?
Where you go?
Me I go back at work.
Alright. And be careful. Because me feel you know they little padlock something there where they have. Me think more buy one for you padlock down there so.
Don't worry about that. You buy one bulla with that. and buy one bag juice. Make that serve for you all day till
You can't
tonight.
give me $20 more, me buy mackerel and rice. Me no want no bag juice, man. You cannot be so harsh. And when you come in at night and you work very hard, at 150 alone me get all of the hard work.
Some woman out there and lay down for free. They not even get $50. I mean, you 150.
You could have put something more on him, man. Do better than that, man. Make me smile. Put a smile on my
Alright,
face.
put a smile on your face.
Yes.
Put a smile on your face. You deserve a smile on your face.
Yes.
Go, Gaga. Alright, good smile. Bye bye later. Hey, I love you.
Girl, me say, I got something to tell you.
Girl, me have something to tell you. You don't know where me I come from. Me I come
You know,
from
wait,
upper.
buy one sweater. You don't know, say me a walk and your sister come there, come bother me, and so me have to lift that up.
My sister?
He said, look a squits. Him said one.
So you deal with her?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Me
Me
have to
can
lift
get
that
one
up,
dose for me this morning
Girl,
too, you
remember,
know.
you ever call me and tell me everything. So
Alright.
So me say, alright, me give him one penny.
Yeah.
And I hangle her. Cause you know, for a long time, you know, me there and this girl just a come and every time she see me, she a trouble me and me not do her nothing, you know.
Me
so
know,
me tell her,
girl.
say, I chin save you because if me and Tina never friend me, I
Me
live
not
with her
save
long
him.
time.
Me do him anything what you want, girl.
Me never know that me get it go, you know.
Yeah,
so
man. So
anything,
when they know?
me don't know when they gone up so somewhere up so or something. I don't know from me clot him and he just go and get a
Alright,
nice
I must
dose.
see him.
Yeah, so we have to say now.
Me a walk.
Eh,
No, me man, me see with one other girl.
I lie.
Me say I go over there, no. Me go over there to a girl. Me say, hey girl, you know, say I feel me man that. Me and the girl at it. Yes. The girl take up broom thick for me, but you know what they say, run and you will live to see another day, right? Alright, me now wild the girl, but me have to book him again.
Yes,
Happy.
next time you call me, come ready for hang up. Anybody
girl.
with you. Cause me know say if not you don't do the same thing for me. You understand?
Right, that's a girl.
So right now, you know what me want to do right you know? I want to buck for your sister again and give me second round cause she, me never give a lick him down good and it a burn my
Lord
heart.
God, me never did it, man.
Right, me say anyway you did there man, you don't help me. And she have this
God.
friend too. When he did that in front there boost him up but come. And lucky she run make I no lick her down too. I war. Cause me don't know what they take this thing for.
Brother, yo, what you ain't even know? I'm mad for Papa right now, you know. Don't I yard me I go.
For who?
Me man.
Oh, okay. Alright, later.
Aye.
That's all familiar.
Papa, you catch them again?
Lord God.
Oh God, that was this. God.
Again.
No, sir.
Come like a salt.
Me know so no they still in the business, you know.
Me bombard. Second time now me
Yeah, man.
share catch it 2 hours, you know. Second time now, you know. You're really salt, man. Come here for right now we done no shot. Right now we done, you know. Right now really done right now cause you tell me saying catch up on video.
And it's on like look good though.
Watch you again.
Lord God, do not look
Watch you
good,
again.
man.
Was it my fault?
You're real salt, man.
And
Browning.
my fault make she catch me. Okay,
Oh,
how you
you're
just talk to
salty
me?
now,
Turn him
man.
to button, watch him.
Hey, girl,
Anyway,
me no
Browning,
good.
right now. That's a pass now. What you say? You can't go on for me, you know. Or you don't want to, you know.
How you want me?
I mean,
Yeah,
It's
man.
a careless dirty boy.
Eh, we can do. You
It's
know?
a careless
we can-
dirty boy.
Yeah. Hey boy, look here.
That's
Me tired to tell you. Me no want you, me and your brother and sister get that
no
in your head.
step.
It doesn't matter, brother and sister.
Come on, man. I'm to you, man.
Mine,
So you try to tell me, say, you know want a man with money? Broke pocket man I want.
no.
You have money?
Eh? Broke pocket man I want.
Yes, and?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Yeah. Pano.
Yeah, I believe you, Asha. Gone. The shot when I salt them like a real crosses, you know. Why me I tell you?
Phone me. Oh. Hello? What?
Oh. Go on, me.
Me can't talk long.
Now,
Alright.
man. Come on, try son.
Alright. Me phone you back. My son just come. Me phone you back. Aye. Well, me never expect you. You alright?
Yeah, man, me come right now, me come to go confess on you, mommy.
Confess what? You love me?
You know, say your mother, man, I was love my mother, but I know that me I talk about. You see, like a short one day, you have to keep an eye on him, because I'm bad like a yaz, you know. I'm saying, Bobby means bad, you know,
Shorty?
shorty. When
Me
they
know
call
she
Sasha
bad,
there.
man.
He
Me know
bad.
she bad for a long time.
It's a regular and try for me, you know. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, what?
No, hold on. Repeat that bit again. Rewind and come again.
It's a regular and try for me, mother, man.
I want a brother.
I remember say a step and no blood. So, I not really nothing, but I must say I come confess now, you know. But all the brother man, I see me the kind of rate, you know. But to me see it in a like money, like man with a broke pocket.
Hold on, what is not this? A family bucking a go on.
Boy, I don't know. But they come like say you have to see her chin there, you have to watch him and your man do, you know. A broke pocket man, say she like. But I just confess, me come confess still, because I look at video when they say I grow on, you could also see it still.
I bet she saw her friend a blackmail her friend, I beat her up and she tried to take phone but blackmailing video. Are you?
It's CM1. Nobody ever me tell so, I'm something up here so.
Oh God.
There, so.
You turn with stomach, man. Your
Can't
sister, man, you know no shame.
I know sister
You
that.
honest, no man, you no grow like family. You turn my stomach.
Nobody make it turn. Nobody make it turn, make it turn up.
Oh
so
God.
just be careful, just watch them. You hear, just watch them. Just remember me tell you, just watch them.
I can't believe you and your sister.
Remember, see a step.
Shut up.
Every day they on your phone, where you do text him, man, now.
Don't worry about
Me
that.
tell you if you stop take mommy, man. Stop take people, man. Alright. Nah,
You cannot contact me.
Nah, one year
You know,
again.
say you don't have no ambition because you are live down with your brother, eh? Pa you too.
That.
Pa you too, but you are there with your brother.
And I'm a real brother.
Every
I'm
damn
adopted.
day.
I am
Matter.
adopted, so
It
not
doesn't
wrong.
matter.
Move out to
We
the
grew up
side. We
together.
can't even touch you.
We grew up
Every day.
together.
You not feel shame you sleep with your brother.
No, me
Oh
not feel
Jesus.
shame. Me not feel shame because
Watch him too proud.
I'm a real brother, so me not feel
No
shame.
man. Little girl, you feel shame. I wanna
look
grow
at
up like
ambition,
brother and
man.
sister. And me tell you say you adopted if you me never tell you the truth.
You know, say-
I like how the black are like.
If-
Like me. You know the things say. If me never tell you say your father run off and then get killed. You would know.
That no have nothing
So
to
you
do
grow with job board like brother.
I know my real brother.
Touch
I
him
sleep
too.
with him and it's done.
Is your brother.
Shut up,
You
Carl.
know, say, Jabon come to me with the same argument and me for shut him a box one day too.
And some of them tell me say you're not interested. That's why you wonder why me treats are different. You sick my stomach,
I
man.
can't see a smoker. You never take it one man.
Shut up.
Shut up,
You
and
can't
move
take the
on.
Me I
one.
tell you
That's
say
so
when him
funny.
come round and tell me say me vomit, you know?
Oh
Me
God,
vomit up
man.
me tripe.
You're not. Your tribe not come up yet.
Shut up. You really not no shame, boy.
No shame.
Me shame. Wait, away there. Me shame tree dead. Me can't even find a tree. It dead. Me not no shame. Me not have no shame. Not even ambition. Me not have.
Sasha not some raise you.
Me not busy. I never say you raise her if you take your man. And she
Which
already
one?
take him.
You full of lie about
I'm
take man and you take your brother.
Yeah, take your brother.
Me not have time for you.
Jesus.
Argument here with you.
Me not know about because why me still not get over the sickness. Me can't. My stomach still not get over the sickness. Me not lie.
You just say, you know, so when you drink up one bag of rum and burn much weed, you know where you go already.
No,
So
she
you
that
have no
shame, man.
control.
I tell you. So I come back to the team and I just look on you and say, John,
And me watch a video, me heart, me,
So I can't believe so that
man.
me really go
Too much sick.
You watch me there,
Jesus.
too much sick.
tell them, I say rum is now dangerous, you know.
So if you come off of it,
No, we can ease up off rum now.
ease off not good enough. You rise with your rise for your sister. Rum no good.
When I sit, when
Eh?
I
I chew me know, say I chew on a blood.
No man, on a
Blood, man,
play
a
together.
Hey, man,
On a rise together, on a play together,
No,
on a
man,
grow
grow
together. She
together.
look up to you,
Lord
man.
God, man.
And
Oh, no, heart so strong.
Girl, shut up.
Lord
Give me
God,
a man.
man.
Me a text. So
And a hot
shut
song, you know,
up.
mommy. And a hot song, you know.
You shouldn't be
Just
laughing
rum.
and be
You
up
see
in your
rum.
mouth.
You know when you come down already. And I drink too much rum.
Oh no,
Yeah,
disgust
you brother
me.
today, so.
Mommy,
You touch me, man.
no, listen to me.
You kind of make the
Yes,
skin
yeah, I
crawl
remember
right
when
Oh
I-
no,
now.
disgust
Shut
me.
up, my girl. You see, I remember we are both spot. In there with you, in there with she, I'm my best friend in there with.
You can't stop the lying now, little girl. You mess up the family long
Much time
enough,
me
man.
the
Me can't
panda
take
one.
it.
Hi,
And
girl.
then
Aye,
I say me have pressure.
Already.
You want
Me
me
can't take it,
Wait,
man.
hold on. You want me prove to you? Say me, you want me prove it? Me call my best friend. Me call her.
Oh, you're the
Me
Jezebel.
call her.
Your partner in crime.
Me make you
Me
know.
no want
Me
know
make you
about
sure
that.
you say hold on. Not to
You know think so you hurt me enough. You know think so you hurt me enough, Sasha.
Kayla,
Jaja.
wait.
So, should I dash them along?
Yeah, boy, you come over here right now, girl. Right now. Yes, come now.
I can't believe,
Well,
man.
I know she a come. I go and show you so not take the same man. You see how you girl? You just wait.
Your mind smutty, smutty,
What
smutty.
God?
Yeah, man.
Where your sister go take the same man?
Wait. Yes,
You fi think about what you a do, you take your brother. Where your sister go about take the same man? Jesus Christ, man, you turn my stomach.
I go left in a car. Kind of feel that way.
A grown man.
At
Yeah, you
least
should
one
have
of you
known
have
better.
shame.
Feel with big brother, you should have known better, man.
Somebody should have not opened
No,
your big
sir.
mouth.
I just say yeah, we
Yeah,
big.
last somebody should have opened your big
Oh
mouth.
no, disgust me.
Just wait till Kayla
That's
come.
why when my man can't stay here, we don't know. You can't believe.
And like me, I tell me, I go call me
Wait
best
till Kayla
friend.
come. Oh, see Kayla come.
So what me do fi deserve
Kayla,
this?
Hello,
hold on.
girl. Come round a yard. Round here so festive. Yeah, come quick, girl. Right now.
Yes, call her, make she come.
Can't manage
Call
you,
she
boy.
take the same man as you. Lord God.
Why you depend that?
Hey.
Instead of you
After
start
that, yeah.
repent about what you do.
To the
You take the motor out of your eye before you take it out of everybody else's
What
eye.
your man name? No, what your man name?
Touch him.
You know my man already, Papa. You know me man. Yeah, he did. You know me man. Look,
What your man name?
Papa. You know me man.
What your man name? What your man name?
What problem?
Oh, my
Yes,
man,
mommy.
Bobby J, Popeye.
And this a girl a missy with your man, Popeye.
At this
Oh, no,
time,
Papa,
me with me man.
Lord God, mommy, me have to go to the girl and say, what you do with me mother man? What you do with me mother
So,
man, girl that
hold
me
on. So
say?
you try to take my man. You try to take my goody.
Hey, long vice, guy.
So hold on.
No, you're
You little girl.
Yeah, girl, and this a girl that did not take me mother man and me did not tell about.
What your man name?
No, me not chat.
No, hold on, no.
Kiss me or shot.
What your man name?
You see, if the girl don't like you, avoid her. Pan the right, she the pan the left.
Alright. You want hear what go on? Shut up. You chat too much sometimes.
Ask him what your man name.
Make she talk. She free for talk.
What your man name?
Oh, my man named Popeye.
Oh.
The tall man there. How what happened to you?
Then chin. That the man there say you did see a man with other girl over there, so.
What your man name?
I just said, man.
Oh, but we
Your man a Popeye.
You not hear me? You hear me?
Your man a Popeye.
yeah, did look me one time up there, so.
Alive.
Your man a Popeye?
Yes, girl.
Hey, phone I take you one, man.
Chewy.
Popeye my man. Popeye live with me. I'm my man in a this.
I'm my
I
man.
can't live with you. Stay with me every evening.
I need to
Hey, God.
when you do night shift, a night shift you
No, I'm coming on different shift.
Man shift.
No, I'm coming in the evening and all kind of time, different shift. And tell me saying can't give me no timetable.
Well, on the girl, you sure say same Popeye?
He ugly.
Yeah.
I'm brown.
Yes, I him said one.
I need tall.
come out of this and you sleep with your brother. You come out of
I
this.
may I say you
Yeah,
find
just
somebody not
keep a look up place this.
You know, you're a person of a chat, you know.
No.
No, no, we are not related
I know
to
me
him, man.
biological brother. I know me real brother. Me adopted.
Alright, hold on. Six stomach. You're pissing me off right now. Come on. We can't deal with you right now. We can't deal with you.
Call him.
Yeah, man, call him and
Call
we'll
me
give
on
him,
my
mommy.
phone. Take a girl a phone and
Well,
call
me
him.
call-
Hello,
me
you
call
dad
him.
take him to call him.
Yeah,
Hold on. You know what, girls? Girls will be girls, you know. Make we come together because too much of this are going in the world. And we are fight with one another for so man. You know what? Me feel
Yes.
Oh, no go in the house.
Right.
And not make no noise.
Yes.
Me I go call the dirty wretch.
Yes.
I make the dirty wretch come here. Call we there with him. All we bust him backside for him.
Pull the
Me I go phone him. Wanna come inside.
Yes.
Pull the door.
Yeah, go on. No, come back here. You look how 6 stomach.
Not that man.
Man, wait for me and him, man. Wait, watch me and him. Watch me and him. Use me a laughing stock.
God, baby.
Yes, baby, you good?
Yes, listen, babe. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I run the marathon, man.
Mm.
You cook again?
Oh God, me have an extra treat for you.
Huh?
Today is your lucky day. Oh God, today is your lucky
You
day.
give me money?
Oh God, me I give you more than money. Me I give you your dreams
No,
come
no,
true,
no.
baby.
Hey, I like that. Yo, and that's what I know. You're the only woman for me.
Oh God, that's why me have to love you. You know, me is the only woman for you.
To me, you're like a violin.
Oh God.
I just want to play with you.
Oh God, you really play with me, not true.
No, listen. To me, you're like my guitar, baby.
Mm.
Love like a music instrument, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like a guitar to me. Me just want to pluck your string there.
You really pluck me for
Yes.
you.
To me,
Oh
you're
God.
the apple of my eyes. No woman can replace you. You're the refreshment of my water. When I see you, I'm not thirsty no more. You're like the dream come true. You know when you want to go to America and you look about your visa application and when you go there, you get the white paper. You say, yes, my dream come true.
Mm-hmm.
America, here I come.
Oh God,
It's like
you don't need America. Baby, I'm gonna make all of your dreams come true. Right, you know? Better than before. Just come center full. Come, I want you to have the best seat in the house for this one.
Okay.
Yeah, man, make yourself comfortable.
Hold on. Make myself feel for 7 minutes.
Make yourself comfortable,
Yes.
baby. You ready for the show?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Let me feel way sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Ready for the show? Chin.
So what you have to do this?
No, man, just hold on. You're going to enjoy this.
Oh,
Chin, come here, baby
I'm
girl.
going to enjoy this.
And turn the door behind you when you come. Because we don't want no draft. Who chin to you again?
Evelyn, Popeye.
Who chin to you
My
again?
stepdaughter, babes.
Okay.
You remember tell me you raised them, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, stepfather.
Chin, you want call next or should I?
Next.
What do you mean by
No, man, we're going to give you the best show of
What
all.
do you mean by next?
Because, baby, you know how much I love you?
Yes, I love you.
Oh, God, we're going to play the next game. Because you know what? Girls will be girls, and we are going to play the girls' next game.
Oh, I don't understand what you mean.
Look what Chin provide for you as next.
What you do over here?
What you do over here?
Oh, you know her for true.
You know her for true. Who she be?
Huh?
Who she be? Who she be?
Let me explain myself. Let me explain
Sit
myself.
down, the show not done. Sit down. We just a
Sit
begin.
down, you know, done yet. Sit down.
You know comfortable, that's all.
Yes, get comfortable.
I want pee-pee.
Me don't want pee yet. When we done with you, you don't have nothing for pee with. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Me dey tell you say me a mad girl.
Hey! Yes, you brute you. Who she be to you?
How am I to you, baby?
Man, do.
No, sit down.
Man, sit down.
Sit down. We're not done. We just a come.
Shit up.
More in there?
Oh, no.
No. All right, let me explain myself.
Yes,
All right.
Pour me spoon for me.
Well,
Hold on. Talk on the mic. Explain.
baby.
Yeah.
Which one?
Let me
All the
try.
way are your baby from
All
mommy
right,
can't hear.
babies. All right. Here, no? Let me explain my situation one by one. You know. Yes. I'm going to call it them here bun because I'm there with your stepdaughter under the quiet. You know.
We are
run and come and turn up your
You tell me, I say you're a big man. You tell me,
come out your mouth.
him tell me say I'm the down in this.
Me all give you a little limit of bun. No really too much up there.
Have to take my virginity. Eh?
Kaka.
Cause look how shorty that sell front and I was playing the market. I saw me meet him. He want buy front from shorty. I saw me met him.
Oh, so one daughter wasn't enough. You wanted the two. Oh.
Eh? You tell me say you're single.
I know you get bun.
Eh?
And them would have get the bun because you come in last.
Oh.
So you did a bowl of 1, 2, 3, woman. Well, tell us
Let me tell you something. Man, you know, let me tell you something. People, yeah. The daughter. Come on, so nice. Let me tell you something. I'm mad people, you know. We're mad people.
Right.
High five. We don't have to fight over man.
Right.
We don't have to fight over man. A woman with him.
All we got the best stick.
Although you did come.
Although you know, you're my daughter. You're something else. You're my daughter.
No, mommy, take advantage of me. Swear.
You're my daughter. I'm a loser for you. But here what? A woman with name.
Yes.
We not
Woman
take
run the
shots.
world.
Not
Yes.
true.
Right.
Not true.
Yes, come.
Woman,
Yes,
girl
man.
power.
We should have still run him down right now.
No man, him not worth it.
No,
Here
you
what?
hurt to feel like lie them when tell me and
No,
so.
baby. Here what? No. Make we go pick up pot and run a boat and celebrate. We get the junk out of our life. Come on, girls.
Yeah.
You put on a big pot for now.
One of the biggest meat.